Hey guys, this is Will, and this is going to be a video of the rooftop units at Hackney Ace Hardware in Dexter, Michigan. So I made a video of these a long time ago. That video's kind of gotten a little bit outdated, so I just decided to make another one. It's a nice November day. So this is the unit that runs the front half of the store, and it also runs some of the offices. So it has a Copeland scroll compressor that you can see back there, a GE fan motor with 3 fan blades, you can see the Carrier logos kind of had it. That used to say Carrier. We have blocked off the vent things because it's just not very energy efficient on these models. We have the Generac 17 kilowatt automatic generator. Just look at there's the exhaust pipe for the furnace, and then there's the data sheet right there. So it's from 1997, the 13th week of 1997. I think this is a 5-ton, but let me know if I'm wrong. Or 6-ton maybe? I don't know. We have the supply and return. Supply, return over there. It's a nice little cover over it, I guess. Not really sure what that's for. We have another one right here. Exact same model. This one's for the back half of the store. We have the same compressor right back there, same Copeland compressor. And then the GE fan motor. This one's just facing the other way. Have the brand new condensate trap we just got put in. Oh, here's the data sheet. Again, this is blocked off. So let's go over on that side. Okay, so on this side we have the unit that does the other side of the store, the front and back. So this one still has the older condensate trap. This one is from 1995. We had this one installed first. I think this is an 8-ton from 1995. We have the heat exchanger panel right in there. This unit has had the heat exchanger replaced about 3 times, compressor replacements 2 times, new fan motors. Again, we blocked this off. And the Carrier logo on this unit is completely gone. We have 2 fans. GE. You can see that in there. And then the compressors are in a different part. Oh wait, no, they're right there. There's the top of the compressor. May or may not be able to see. We have the exhaust pipe. That's an old York. Over here, we have a Bryant that we just got the compressor replaced on 2 weeks ago. So this runs the basement, which is the plumbing section. Has the original GE fan motor and the brand new Copeland scroll compressor. Right there, look at that. Brand new. You have a nice service panel on the side, like that Tech 2000s from 1995. And then we have the new suction line, liquid line mufflers, suction dryers. And then here's a 1995 carrier unit that is used for the staff room and a couple other offices. And this is, I'm not sure how many tons this is. This looks like a 2.5 or a 2 ton. So yeah, this unit's pretty old, but still works pretty well. It's up on a stand, which is interesting. Never been able to figure out why they did that, but it works pretty well. Alright, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more. Out.